Welcome to Get Merch Made Academy. My name is Chris. This academy is for influencers that want to make money selling merch to their fans. How can my team and I, based here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, teach you and or get your merch made so that you can focus on what you do best? Create content, engage with your fans, and ultimately monetize your channel. On this page, we're introducing our Factory Introductions Plus Consultation service. We'll jump on a Zoom call for 1 hour and we'll talk about your product in detail. We'll also talk about a little bit about your business model and your strategy. Then we'll go into details of like fabrics, trims, accessories, talk about MOQs. We'll talk about producing in the north versus producing in the south. We talk about importing and exporting. We can talk about duties. Whatever questions you have, for example, related to culture or language, about manufacturing in Vietnam, I'll be happy to answer based on my 15 years of experience producing merch in Vietnam. Then at the end of the call, I will introduce you to 3 factories that I guarantee can produce your product. I give you their first name, last name, email, phone number, website, and Google Map link. The idea is that you will reach out to them. And all I can promise is that they will reply to you. If they don't, then I will get involved and I will make sure that they reply to you. But beyond that, I can't guarantee anything about price, delivery times, quality control, MOQs. All of that has to be worked out between you and the factory over time. Or message us if you have any questions. Thanks for your time. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam, where you can get your merch made at a fair price and good quality.